Welcome back. American Airlines, one of the best performers today on news. Lower fuel costs help margins in the third quarter, but the stock has been underperforming its peers lately, and pressure is mounting on CEO Doug Parker. Joining us now to discuss is CNBC.com's Leslie Josephs. Leslie, thanks so much for joining us. Good to see you.
Having me.
Let's talk about the headline in terms of more delays for the Boeing 737 MAX and its impact on American. The latest updates, were they much worse than expected or broadly in line with where people were?
Well, we really don't have a sense from Boeing yet when this is going to be back in the air. Boeing says sometime in the fourth quarter, but we don't have any sign-off yet from the FAA or global regulators. So what airlines are having to do, like American, like Southwest and United, is delay it and delay it again. And now we're getting into January when American expects the MAX to be back into service.
What are the implications for American Airlines specifically to this MAX plane delay?
Well, the MAX is a very small part of its fleet. American has about 900 planes, and only 24 of them were MAXs at the time of the grounding. They have 76 more on order. But this is a very fuel-efficient plane, and it's very key to its growth. So American can't grow as it expected, as it wants to, because those planes are on the ground. It needs to reassign planes, cancel about 140 flights a day because of that. So that's not welcome news for them.
Industry-wide, is the grounding serving as kind of a kind of capacity cut by default? In other words, is it filtering into things like pricing, and is it having any beneficial effects for the airline, or is it really just about a headache?
It depends which airline it is. I mean, Delta doesn't have the MAX in its fleet, and it's been able to pick up some of those passengers that maybe would have been booked on a MAX on another airline, so that's a good thing for Delta. The thing is, when the MAX comes back, which would be great for Boeing, and I'm sure that they would welcome that, and a lot of the airlines who are their customers would welcome that, that's going to add a lot of capacity back into the market, and it's coming at a low point for travel. It travels, you hit a peak in the summer, but you're going to have a lot of pricing pressure when that MAX does come back.
Interesting stuff. Thank you, Leslie, for joining us and for continuing to follow this story for us.